When you trade on Plus500, one of the key concepts you'll encounter is margin. But what exactly does it mean? Margin is essentially the amount of money you need to put down to open and maintain a trading position. Since Plus500 offers leveraged trading, you don't need to pay the full value of the trade upfront. Instead, you deposit a portion of it. This is your margin. For example, let's say you want to open a $1,000 position on a stock CFD with leverage of 1:5. You wouldn't need the full $1,000. Instead, you'd only need to put down $200 as margin, while the rest is effectively borrowed through leverage. The platform makes this calculation automatically, and you'll always see the margin requirement in the instrument's details before you place the trade. There are two main types of margin you'll hear about on Plus500. The first is initial margin. That's the minimum amount required to open a new position. The second is maintenance margin, which is the minimum equity you need to keep the position open. If your account balance falls below that level because of losses, Plus500 may issue a margin call or close positions to limit further risk. It's important to remember that margin doesn't change the risk, it magnifies it. Because you're controlling a larger position with a smaller deposit, even small market moves can have a big impact on your balance. That's why Plus500 also offers risk management tools like stop losses and guaranteed stops to help you protect your margin. So, in simple terms, margin on Plus500 is the amount of money you set aside to open and maintain leveraged trades. It's your entry ticket to controlling larger positions, but it also comes with higher potential risk if the market moves against you. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.